we'll guide you through how to create a Wix business plan easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll see an option called Business Plan on the left-hand side menu. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a section where you can start drafting your business plan. You'll see an option to create a new plan. Click on that button, and Wix will guide you through a series of questions about your business. You'll need to input details such as your business name, mission statement, and goals. As you fill in each section, Wix provides helpful tips and examples on the right side to inspire your writing. Be sure to highlight your target audience and marketing strategies in the plan. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, review your plan thoroughly. Wix allows you to save drafts, so you can come back and make edits anytime. Once you're satisfied, you can download your business plan as a PDF or share it directly with stakeholders through a link. Remember, a well-crafted business plan is crucial for guiding your business decisions and attracting potential investors. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.